Alright, this is gonna be a video of this aire dishwasher. It's stainless steel. You can feel it. It's getting nice and warm. It's done after a couple of hours ago. I don't know. You can see the lights, but it says clean and sanitized. But you can feel it. It's getting nice and warm. So that indicates that the heating element is working. Open it up, see the inside. Hear the dispenser popping open. You can feel all that heat coming out. So it's good working condition. Here's all the controls. Need to take that plastic off. So you got all the different controls. You got sensor clean. Got heavy wash. So you can set those, which is really nice. Set delay. Shut the door. Just like that. Just gonna show you, it's a nice dishwasher. The dishes are really clean, works really well. Sorry that my voice is a bit of a little bit rough because
Zoe says hello.
Hey Zoe. Yeah. Zoe, I love.
William? There we go.
Hey bud. Yeah, my dog likes to come get in the videos sometimes, but just gonna show you, it's a really nice dishwasher. Runs really good, heats up really good. Heating element, all the components are working fine. Anyways, just gonna show you a video of this dishwasher. Once again, if you have enjoyed this, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.